In this video, I'll show you how to make this fun Hip Hip Hooray card. Here are the supplies you need to make this card. All you need is 2 different pens, a pencil, and some paper for the base of your card. All of the specific items that I used will be linked in the description box below. The first step is to draw out the lettering in pencil. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. Once you have the design drawn out in pencil, simply take your gold pen and trace over the letters. I made the downstroke of the letters slightly thicker to give the lettering a bit of a calligraphy style or script effect. The final step of this fast, easy, and simple card is to take your thin black pen and outline the letters. Here I'm using my favorite Faber-Castell pen in size S, which I find is a perfect thickness for this. This step is entirely optional. You could leave the card and letters just gold without a black outline. However, I really like the effect and the look that a black outline gives to these gold letters. And once you've completed that, this simple card is done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself. Thanks for watching.